Hi guys, I've grown potatoes last year for the first time and it was a very rewarding experience where I've grown three type of potatoes last year, which was purple kind. I got variety Purple Majesty, the white one, I don't remember the name, and a red one too. So we thought on 4th of July we would have a red, blue and white potato salad to celebrate 4th of July. And some of the potatoes we were able to harvest in time, and some we had to leave them later in the ground because they were a late variety. So apparently there are different varieties of potatoes. You can get the early and the mid-season variety and the late variety. So you can pick and choose depend upon where you live and what variety grows there best. What you see right now, these are the potatoes and sweet potatoes which I picked up from a local supermarket here. So I paid very little for these as compared to what I would pay if I were to buy these potatoes as seeds. So I might get some more seed potatoes excuse me, when it comes to actually time to plant the potatoes out. But I bought these as an experiment to see if they would be a viable option going forward, and which I see right now. I bought them last week and put them in brown bags. So you can see the red skin potatoes are already starting to sprout, and it's been just a week. So I just took them out of the bags for purposes of making this video. So I got red, purple. It has purple skin, and the shell is also purple. The inside is also purple. And I got two type of sweet potatoes: the Japanese sweet potatoes and a purple sweet potatoes. They were listed as purple yams. Then I had to look up what's the difference between yams and potatoes. Essentially, yam is something which grows in Africa, and it is not at all any kind of sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are the ones which look like these, and name shall not be confused. These are sweet potatoes. We don't usually get yams here unless we go to a specialty store. So what I thought, up until past week, I thought potatoes and sweet potatoes grow the same way. We will put this in the ground and it would make many of its own kind and multiply. And I was surprised to find sweet potatoes belong to morning glory family. Basically, you do not grow more sweet potatoes by using sweet potatoes. What you do is you put sweet potatoes in the water, or you can put them in the ground too, and what they make is slips, these side shoots, and you can use these shoots, you can break them off, put them in the ground, and that's what would make new sweet potatoes. So what I did after knowing that, took my sweet potatoes out of the bags which they were in, because I was thinking they would sprout too and then I'm gonna put them in the ground. Instead, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use cups with water and put these sweet potatoes in these cups of water so that they can develop slips which I can use for planting. There are many informational videos on YouTube how to particularly do this. It's very simple. Essentially what you do is get 2 or 3 toothpicks. The pointy end is the top and the blunt end is the bottom, so you want to keep top towards the top. You can insert 3 toothpicks in each one of the sweet potato, and so that you have the bottom in the water. I'll have to put a little bit more water in it, and what would happen is it would start growing slips. The reason we did toothpicks in here is that gives slips the opportunity to come up from each side. In this example, you can see The sweet potato is tilted over one side and it's not supported, so nothing is coming up on the side it is tilted. Slips are only coming out of the sides where they have room to come up. So this method would essentially allow us to have more slips and more chances of getting new growth here. Let me know how you guys grow your potatoes, and if you did know that these were grown different way. It was very interesting to me. Thanks for watching.